Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're having a look at the brand new Civivi Quibit. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this awesome new knife from Civivi and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a commission if you purchase this knife. And as always, I want to thank the good folks out at Civivi for sending me this knife to review. Let's get started. Alright, let's begin with a quick size reference just so you get a general idea for how much knife you're going to be putting in your pocket. So here it is next to a permanent marker, just a little bit longer. And let me see if I can rotate this vertically so you get a better view that way. And here it is all closed up. Let's have a look at the thickness of the knife here. And we're going to be using a pair of chopsticks. This is the thinner side, this is the thicker side. And it looks like it's actually a little bit thinner than the thicker side, so it's more similar to the thickness of the smaller side of a pair of chopsticks. And for those that want actual measurements, that's looking like right around 3/8 of an inch. Alright, closed up from tip to tip, looking like we're just about 4¼ inches long. And then from the tip of the blade to the end of the grip, just about 7 inches. Alright, let's get the Quibit on the scale. Overall weight coming in at just about 2.8 ounces. And just in case you're wondering what 2.8 ounces might feel like, well, if you got a couple of AA batteries around the house, weighs almost as much as 3 of those. Let's take a quick tour around the Quibit, starting off with the knife blade. Let's rotate over to the top of the spine here. A little bit of jimping in the thumb wrap area. Right, not too aggressive, you can see that here. Thickness of the blade stock here, I'd say that's probably similar to maybe a nickel. Comes down to a nice fine point. This is a beautiful drop point blade design. Kind of gradually comes down like that. Great for slicing. Coming around down here to the edge, we do have a finger choil in case you want to sneak your finger up here and do a little bit more precision knife work. If not, you can keep your hands right back here, nice and safe. But the option is there for that. The Quibit uses a flat grind. There is no shoulder on these blade flats. They are totally flat. And that means it's going to be real easy to sharpen, and combined with that drop point blade design, this is going to be such an excellent slicer. Up front we have Civivi's black stonewash finish. Absolutely gorgeous. Steel type being used is 14C 28N Sandvik steel, kind of I would say like a mid to entry level steel, but it's got great toughness, 14% chromium, really good corrosion resistance, and it takes a nice razor sharp edge. And the big thing is it's really easy to sharpen. And let's see, how sharp is it? Let's go slow. Yep. It's pretty sharp, guys. Your opening mechanism are dual thumb studs on both sides of the blade, riding on a pivot with caged ceramic ball bearings, and it is smooth, right? Not putting a lot of pressure on that. Just flies open. Nice and solid. And as we've just seen, the Quibit does feature a push button lock, making one-handed operation very easy. When the blade is closed, it's under spring tension, so it's not going to flop around on you, and then when you open it up, you get a nice solid lockup. Let's back up to the handle area. These are made out of aluminum. Nice and smooth, simple, minimalistic design. Matching hardware. Black on black. Even the Civivi logo has a little bit of a black tint on it. You know, the overall look of this knife is really stealth. Love that. The Quibit does use torque screws in case you want to take this knife apart. Clean it out. Lubricate the pivot. Again, matching hardware all the way around. The Quibit does use standoffs instead of a backspacer, and I love when they use standoffs because to me it's a lot easier to clean. This is a tip-up carry knife only. Pocket clip is reversible to the other side. And here's a closer look at the pocket clip itself. And let's have a look at what this is going to look like when you get it in your pocket. That's pretty deep. Practically disappears in your pocket. Once again, guys, this has been the Quibit by Civivi. If you're looking for a brand new EDC knife that features a push-button lock, is lightning quick to open, and is really easy to carry, this might be a great option for you. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this awesome knife from Civivi, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.